In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail offline mode. This is a really useful feature if you travel a lot, have an unstable internet connection, or simply want to make sure you can still read and manage your emails when you're not online. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Gmail in your web browser on a computer. Offline mode works best in a desktop browser like Chrome rather than on a mobile app or very small screen. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use offline. Once Gmail is open, look toward the top right corner of the page for the small gear-shaped icon. This is the settings icon. Click on that gear icon. A small menu will appear showing a few quick settings. Instead of changing anything there, you'll want to open the full settings page. To do that, click on the option that says See All Settings. When you click See All Settings, Gmail will load a page with several tabs across the top, such as General, Labels, Inbox, and others. Look through these tabs and find the one labeled Offline. Click on the Offline tab to open the offline settings. On this page, you'll see the section that controls Gmail's offline capabilities. Find the option that says something like Enable Offline Mail. Click to enable offline mode. Once you do that, Gmail will show you a few additional options, such as how many days of emails you want to store offline and whether attachments should be saved. Choose the options that fit your needs. Remember that storing more days of mail and attachments will use more space on your computer. After you've adjusted those preferences, look for the option to save or apply your changes and confirm that you want to turn on offline mail. Gmail may also prompt you to allow offline data to be stored in your browser. Make sure you accept this or offline mode will not work correctly. Once everything is set up, Gmail will start syncing your messages in the background. Give it a little time, especially if you have a lot of emails. After that, you'll be able to open Gmail in your browser and read, search, and even compose emails without an internet connection. Any messages you send while offline will be stored locally and sent automatically the next time your computer goes online. And that's all you need to start using Gmail offline mode.